Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use the beauty effect on TikTok. So open your TikTok app and tap on the plus icon. And once you're here, just tap on beauty. And as you can see, there are many options that you can play with. Let's start with smooth. So this one actually just makes your skin smoother. So for example, I slide this to the right. Then as you can see, my face is immediately just more smooth, right? But if I tap on shape, this plays with the shape of my face or my jaws. So for example, I slide this to the right. I don't know if you can see it, but my jaws just, or my chin, just it went smaller, okay? And this is actually really fun because basically you can just adjust the way you look or change the way you look using TikTok. So let's try the eye effect. This can make your eyes bigger, as you can see. And that is really big, so let's just tone it down. Tap on contrast. It gives more color to your skin. Whereas if you slide it to the left, then it will give your skin like a dull looking color or a pale looking color. Now tap on foundation, and this also is like the smoothing effect. So basically it makes your skin brighter, it makes your skin look smoother. And then let's tap on head. So as you can see, this is the shape of my face, but if I adjust it, then it would be smaller, right? And then basically just play with these options and adjust them to however you'd like. Now, if you go to makeup, these are pre-made filters that can go on your face. For example, this one, you can adjust the amount that goes into your face. Now let's choose another. And the reason for this is so you do not have to manually adjust the color of your face or how you look. So these are just pre-made and it'll just basically make your life easier. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope this helped, and we will see you in the next video.